Major accident in Andaman's Port Blair. Tourist boat capsized. Nearly 40 people on the boat when this accident took place. 21 are now presumed to be dead. 13 have been rescued. Rescue operations are underway. Accident took place in between Ross Island and North Bay in Andaman and Nicobar Islands at about 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time. These are the pictures of that rescue operation, in fact, on your screens right now. Our editor South T.S. Sudhir now joins us for more on this story. Sudhir, what is the latest that we are getting? What is the condition of the survivors and where have they been taken?
Well, they have been taken to the GB Pant Hospital in Port Blair as of now. 13 of them. To the rest of those who had been killed, the administration has announced an expenditure of 1 lakh rupees. But essentially, big question mark being raised over the kind of safety measures that were there for the tourists on this and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, because usually divers are always there on such tourist boats. So obviously the question mark that comes is that why weren't the divers there? Of course, Navy divers have been placed into service now. This happened around 4 o'clock, so now because it's night time, the rescue operation a bit affected as a result of that. But yes, they would hope that they would be able to find the remaining other people who are still not been counted for.
Sudhir, was this a tourist boat? I mean, what was, were there, as we have been told that there are 40 people on board, why are the delay in the operations? Aren't there enough rescue personnel?
Well, yes, it was a tourist boat. We are told that along with the crew members, there are perhaps 45 people on board, of which obviously all of them have not been accounted for. Navy divers are there trying to rescue the other people, perhaps people who may have died or perhaps who may have been washed away to other smaller islands in that vicinity. So that work is going on now, but as a result of, because it's nightfall has happened, that work is getting affected at the moment.
Thank you so much, T.S. Sudhir, for bringing us up to date with that story. A tragedy on Republic Day. 40 people were on that boat, as Sudhir was telling us, and right now rescue operations are still underway. But as night falls, things would be difficult.